Lesson 1. Conversation a student with a teacher.
Good morning, Maria. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great, thank you for asking. I wanted to check in with you about your progress in the course. How have you been finding the material we've been covering?
It's been challenging, sir, but I've been putting in the effort to understand everything. Your explanations in class have been really helpful, and I've been reviewing the notes and readings regularly.
That's great to hear, Mary. I can see your dedication, and it's important to keep up with the coursework. If you ever find any topics particularly difficult or need extra help, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to assist you.
Thanks, sir. I will definitely do that if I run into any roadblocks. I also wanted to ask you about the upcoming assignment. I'm not entirely sure about the expectations for it.
Of course, Mary. The assignment is designed to apply the concepts we've covered in class. I'll provide detailed guidelines and rubrics in the next class, but essentially, I want you to analyze a real-world problem using the knowledge you've gained so far. It's an opportunity to demonstrate your understanding and critical thinking skills.
That sounds a bit intimidating, sir, but I'll do my best. Should I choose a specific topic or problem, or will you assign one?
You have the flexibility to choose your topic, Mary. It could be related to your field of interest or something you feel passionate about. I encourage you to pick something that genuinely engages you because it'll make the assignment more enjoyable and meaningful.
That's helpful advice, sir. I'll start brainstorming some ideas and run them by you before finalizing my topic.
That sounds like a good plan, Mary. Remember, I'm here to guide you throughout the process, so don't hesitate to ask for guidance or feedback. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss or any questions you have?
Not right now, sir. Thanks for your support, and I'll start working on my assignment. See you in the next class.
You're welcome, Mary. I look forward to seeing your progress, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance. Have a great day, and see you soon.
Lesson 2. Conversation about good health.
Hey, Sarah. I've noticed you've been looking really healthy and energetic lately. What's your secret to good health?
Thanks, Alex. Well, I've been making some positive changes in my lifestyle recently. I've been focusing on a few key aspects of good health. First, I've been eating a lot more fruits and vegetables, trying to get a variety of nutrients into my diet.
That's great to hear. Nutrition plays a big role in overall health. Are you following any specific diet plan?
Not really, I'm more into balanced eating. I try to limit processed foods and added sugars, and instead, I cook more at home using fresh ingredients. It's amazing how much better I feel just by making these simple changes.
I've heard that cooking at home can make a big difference. Do you also exercise regularly?
Yes, absolutely. Exercise is a crucial part of maintaining good health. I've been going to the gym 3 times a week, doing a mix of cardio and strength training. It's not just about physical health, it also helps reduce stress and improves my mood.
I've been thinking about starting a fitness routine myself. Any tips for someone just getting into it?
Sure. Start slowly and choose activities you enjoy. It could be anything from dancing, hiking, or even yoga. The key is to make it a habit. And remember, consistency is more important than intensity, especially when you're just starting out.
That's great advice. Speaking of habits, have you been prioritizing sleep and stress management too?
Yes, I've been trying to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Sleep is essential for recovery and overall well-being. As for stress, I've been practicing mindfulness and meditation, which has been a game changer in reducing my stress levels.
That sounds like a well-rounded approach to good health. What about regular checkups and preventive care?
Of course. I make sure to schedule regular checkups with my doctor and dentist. Preventive care is essential because it can catch potential health issues early when they're easier to treat.
It sounds like you've got it all covered, Sarah. Thanks for sharing your tips for good health. I'm feeling inspired to make some positive changes in my own life.
You're welcome, Alex. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes over time. Your health is your most valuable asset, so taking care of it is worth the effort.
Absolutely, I couldn't agree more. Here's to a healthier and happier life.
Cheers to that. Lesson 3. Train Journey.
Hey, have you ever taken a long train journey before?
Yes, I have. I remember one time I took a train from New York to Chicago. It was quite an adventure.
That sounds amazing. What was it like?
Well, it was a long journey, about 18 hours, but it was surprisingly comfortable. I booked a sleeper car, so I had a bed and even a private bathroom. It was like a mini hotel on wheels.
Wow, that sounds luxurious. Did you get to see any beautiful scenery along the way?
Absolutely. The train passed through some stunning landscapes. We went through the Appalachian Mountains, crossed rivers, and saw picturesque small towns. It was like a moving postcard.
I've always wanted to take a train journey for the scenery. Did you meet any interesting people during your trip?
Oh, definitely. Train travel is great for meeting people. I struck up a conversation with a couple in the dining car who were also on a cross-country journey. We ended up playing cards together for hours.
That sounds like a fun way to pass the time. How was the food on the train?
Surprisingly good. I had some delicious meals in the dining car. They had everything from burgers to gourmet dishes, and the dining car had large windows, so you could enjoy your meal while taking in the view.
That's awesome. I've heard that train travel can be quite relaxing. Did you find it that way?
Absolutely. There's something soothing about the gentle rocking of the train. I brought a book and spent hours reading while listening to the clickety-clack of the tracks. It was a nice break from the hustle and bustle of daily life.
I can imagine. So, would you recommend taking a long train journey to others?
Definitely. It's a unique experience that everyone should try at least once. You get to see the country in a whole new way, meet interesting people, and enjoy some downtime. Plus, it's eco-friendly compared to other forms of travel.
That sounds like a fantastic adventure. I'll have to plan a train journey of my own sometime.
You should. It's an unforgettable experience, and I'm sure you'll love it. Just be sure to book your tickets in advance, especially if you want a sleeper car, as they tend to fill up quickly.
Thanks for the advice. I'll start looking into it right away.